Technology is always changing, as are the software and platforms that we use in our online business. Sometimes it's for the better, sometimes not so much. But in either case, it's important that we keep up with those changes when we're using the software or the platform. Thinkific, which is the learning management system that I use, recommend, and am an expert of, has recently come out with a brand new administrator dashboard. So in today's video, I'm going to take you in and show you around. So when you first log into your new Thinkific dashboard by logging in as an administrator on your site, you'll see a video here starting with Erin Morin, who's one of the Thinkific team, who's going to welcome you to your new dashboard and walk you through some of the things that you're going to find here. When you're done watching this video, you can simply click the X and you won't see that video any longer. Right below the video, or instead of the video if you exit out, you're going to find a snapshot of your revenue, your signups, and your enrollments, and you can filter that here by date. You're also going to see your most recent enrollments here down below. Your left-hand navigation is going to help you get around here. So under Design Your Site, you're going to find Site Builder, and that's where you're going to find all of your landing pages, sales pages, home pages, and custom pages where you can do your editing. Your theme library, which is going to show you what theme that you're currently using, and you can change over to another theme if you wanted to there, and you can preview your website from here as well. To collapse this, just click on Design Your Site again. Under Manage Learning Content, you're going to find all of your courses. So if you click on this, you're going to be able to view your courses here and click into any of them to add curriculum, edit pricing, settings, things like that. You can also click into your bundles, and you can reorder your courses right here. You're also going to find your player settings on the right-hand side. And this is where you're going to be able to change your course player styles. So this is right within the course itself. When the student is taking the course, this is sort of what they're going to see. So you can change the primary color and the font. You can change or update the player, the logo that shows up in there, and you can disable or enable the course progress screen as well. Under Manage Learning Content, you're also going to find the categories. So if you set up categories for different course topics, you'll find those here. You'll also find the instructor bios under Instructors. This is where you'll find your video library. You can upload new videos or edit videos that you already have in your video library. You may or may not see publication requests on your account. If you're on the business plan or above, you will see this. If you are not, you won't. And you're also going to find your share revenue section here, and this is where you can share revenue with co-instructors in your site. Again, to collapse it, just click on the primary category. Under Market and Sell, you're going to find your coupons, your sales widgets that you can embed on your website or other external sites to lead people back to your courses. You're going to find all of your orders, and again, you can filter by date and export those as well. You're going to find your integrations, so your payment gateways. As you can see here, you've got e-commerce, your automation tools, and so those will be Zapier, Infusionsoft, things like that. Your analytics, so this will be your Google Analytics. Your email marketing, so this would be MailChimp, ConvertKit, etc. Your student success, that's where you're going to find your certificates for your course. And your growth tools, so right now there's Sumo in there. So that's where you're going to find those under integrations. And under your affiliates tab is where you're going to see your affiliates. You can edit your affiliates, you can manage your affiliates, and you can see your affiliate commissions right here. Under the Support Your Students section, you're going to find all of your users. So these are people who have not only signed up for your membership or your courses, but also people who've just created an account on your site and may not have enrolled. You can find groups here. So if you're selling multi-licenses, you'll probably be using the Groups feature. Under Progress is where you can find your student progress reports, which you can export. Under Discussions, you can enable or disable your in-course discussions. Under Reviews, you can enable or disable whether students can leave reviews for your courses or not. Under Quiz and Survey, you're going to be able to select your courses that you use quizzes and surveys for and export them as a CSV file. And under Notifications, you're going to be able to change notifications. So you can decide whether you want to be notified with the Notify Me When. You've got your student email notifications, your course completion emails, and your course welcome emails here. Again, you can enable or disable, and you can edit all of those right within the notification setting. So this is the big change to the dashboard that I've noticed, and that's the settings tab. So all of these previously were within these different categories. Now it's a separate section altogether. So let's have a look through this and see what is here. So under Site, under the Site tab, you've got your site details such as your site name and your URL. You've got your site emails. So when you send an email through Thinkific, who does that go to? Or if someone asks for support in your course, what email does that go to? This is where you can do a custom site URL, enable your SSL certificate, or if you're on one of the I think it's the business or the essentials plan, you can, I think it's the business plan, you can white label so there's no Thinkific branding on there as well. Under learning content, that's where you're going to find your course player tabs, your language settings, and your modifying text for your learning content. So throughout the site, there is site-wide language that is used, and this is where you would change that. Under orders and accounts, you're going to decide if you want people to sign up with Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, or if they have to use their username and email, whether they agree to a privacy policy, terms of use, etc. You've got your custom sign-up fields here that you can add. And you've got your order setup, which is the order ID that shows on receipts. And then you've got your modify your text for orders. So again, site-wide text that shows up across your site that you can modify. Under code and analytics, you've got your site footer code, which you can add in. You've got order tracking code, sign-up tracking code, Google Site verification meta tag. You've got your webhooks, and you've got your API. Now again, depending on what plan you're on, some of these may show, some of them may not. Under your account here, you're going to be able to update your plan, your Thinkific plan. You're going to be able to edit your account details, or you can log out. If you know someone that you think would benefit from using Thinkific, you can click on the Give a Month Free and grab the share link and send that on to them. If you are an affiliate of Thinkific, then you will already have an affiliate link. Right here on the left-hand side, you're going to find that Help Center. So if you click on that, it's going to take you over to Thinkific's Help Center. So that's really handy to have that right within your admin dashboard. On the left-hand side as well, in your navigation bar, you will see any updates. If there's any updates that Thinkific has made, or if they've released new blog posts or new information, you're going to find that here. So you simply click on it, and it will bring up the latest changes, and you can click on those changes, and it will open in a new window so that you can read about them and stay up to date. Now, this new look, this new dashboard look, is going to be activated for everyone as of tomorrow. So today is August 27th, 2018. Tomorrow is when it's going to be activated across the board, so you're probably not going to see this anymore. And the last thing in your new dashboard is to become a partner. So again, this is if you want to become an affiliate of Thinkific, recommend them and make a small commission when you do recommend Thinkific to other people. So I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of Thinkific's new dashboard. If you have any questions about it, please leave them in the comments below. Do you need some help with getting your course online using the Thinkific LMS? If so, click the links below. We can either do it for you, or we can teach you to do it yourself. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell to make sure that you get notified as we release new videos.